Jones.
Hey girl, hey, let's get right into it. Right here I have my Hello Fab Coconut Moisturizing Primer. I put this on before I put on any foundation or anything. It will help your foundation stay. It will make a big difference. Make sure that once you're finished rubbing in your primer, you let it sit so that it can dry a little bit and get a little tacky so that your foundation will stick to it better. Next here we have the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I'm in the color 410. Being that I didn't really wear makeup like that, this right here is what looks mostly natural for me. Don't do nothing else. Blend. Blend like your life depends on it. You want your makeup flawless? You're going to have to do some work. Let's get it done, baby. Next, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Caramel. I use this to highlight my under eye and the bridge of my nose. Most people do their forehead and their chin, but my forehead's already big, so I rather focus on the areas that I feel like I need most. And you just got to blend those designer bags. Take your time because you don't want to walk around looking like a ghost, so you just really have to take your time and make your makeup flawless because it's your makeup, and makeup is art, and makeup is what you make it. Alright, next I have my Fenty Beauty Blotting Powder Invisimate. This is used to set your makeup so that it doesn't crease. It's universal, so therefore it's made for all skin tones. Okay, so right here I'm going to be using the True Complexion Contour Palette, medium to dark. I use the highlight shade because that's what works best for me. I feel like it's the closest to my skin tone. So that's the one that I picked to, pretty much dust off, well, help dust off my setting powder. Right here I'm going to be using my Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. It really makes my eyelashes look a lot longer than they normally would with any other mascara. So I totally recommend this. This highlighter I'm going to be using is from the Wet n Wild brand. It's Crown of My Canopy and it's the shade 322B. Watch this glow and it's going to speak for itself. Bridge of my nose has to be popping. My nose has to be popping. My cheeks has to be popping. My cupid's belt have to be popping. My chin has to be popping because who's about to play games with y'all? Next, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the color Parfait. I think it retails for about $16. I got this from my Sephora around me locally. It doesn't really cost that much. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this just as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I'll see you guys next time.